This is Teacher Jasmine, and how are you doing today? I hope you're doing great. Okay, what are we gonna celebrating on Friday? Very good. We're going to celebrate KRATHONG Day. By the way, what is the purpose of KRATHONG? Okay, the purpose of KRATHONG is to seek forgiveness from the goddess of water. So we shouldn't stop doing it. Students, what are we gonna use on KRATHONG Day? You're right. We're gonna use a KRATHONG. So, by the way, what is KRATHONG? KRATHONG is traditionally a small floating container fashioned of leaves, which is made to hold a small portion of goods, like a traditional Thai dish, such as pork mok or dessert. The traditional KRATHONG used for floating at the festival are made from a slice of a banana tree trunk or a spider lily plant. Today, I am going to teach you on how to make a KRATHONG. But before that, I'm going to introduce first all the materials that we need in making a KRATHONG. First, we have a slice of banana stem. Again, a slice of banana stem. Next is banana leaf. Again, banana leaf. Third one is scissors. Again, scissors. Fourth one is stapler. Again, stapler. Number 5, we have candle. Again, candle. Next one is incense sticks. Again, incense sticks. And the last one we have flowers. Again, flowers. Students, are you ready to learn how to make KRATHONG with me? Yes, we are! Okay, this is our banana tree slice. And then, we're gonna cut a long strip of banana leaves. Okay, this one. Okay, and then we're going to fold this 3 times. Okay, like this. 1, 2, and 3. And then cut this one using scissor. Okay, and then we're going to staple it using stapler. And after this one, we're going to attach the folded leaf, okay, into the banana tree slice. Okay, like this. And then we're going to staple it. Okay, like this. And then one more. 1, 2, 3. And then cut. And then don't forget to staple it. Okay. And then we'll attach this one again here. Okay, like this. Okay, let's make another one. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and then cut. And then we're gonna staple it. And then attach here. Okay. Okay, one more. One, 2, 3. And staple. Okay. After we put all the folded banana leaves, okay, we need to cover the banana tree slice using a long strip of banana leaf. Okay, this one. Okay, we're going to cover this one and then staple it. Okay, like this. After putting all the folded banana leaves, we're going to, okay, wrap it around with banana leaves. Okay, like this. And then we're gonna staple it here and also here. After wrapping the banana stem slice, okay, so we're going to decorate our krathong using flowers. You can use any flowers that you like. After decorating our krathong with flowers, we're going to place the candle in the middle. You can press directly into the base as well as the incense sticks. This is now our krathong for Loy Krathong Day Festival. Students, I hope you enjoyed celebrating Loy Krathong Day with your family. Always remember to wash your hands and wear mask when you go outside. And see you again next time. Bye-bye!